going on, friends and followers? As you can see, we are on our way to the first car meet, official car meet of 2024, at least for me. And that's going to be taking place at MSJC Temecula campus, local car scene. Definitely one of the best local car meets in the Temecula area, Riverside, Marietta, and Justin does a great job of having a diversity of cars and a great crowd of people, and I appreciate him very much. So I'll see you there, and let's get this car meet going. What is going on, friends and followers? We out here, first meet of the year 2024, and we're about to get these rollers like we do. Here we go. We got GD gang out here. We got Scott. We got the Bug Eye friend, and we look pretty good. Even though my car is dirty and I didn't wash it, when you got a lineup like this, I mean, what can you say? already. Lined up with friends, great people, good vibes. Bringing in 2024 with the positivity. That's what's up. Hell yeah. Definitely one of the coolest cars of 2024 that I've seen thus far. Hey, we gotta get our boy Still 40. He out here. Gotta get the 2024 rollers. Starting the year off with a bang. We got limited time at local car scene.
Once it warms up.
Definitely a lot of cars. Definitely pretty chilly for California. Wow, let's look at this. That's an insanely good sounding American muscle car. And a paint job to match. Ooh, we got the Viper. He out here.
Did you drive it here?
Yeah, it's like over. You see that kind of fast?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's it. I'm like parked next to it. I'm like on top down and everything. Whatever, check it out. Yeah, it's like all time.
That was awesome. We got a lot of people and a lot of dope rides. If you're liking any of these cars, any of this content, make sure to like, leave a comment, subscribe, help the algorithm, help me. Anyways, let's get some more dope content. from the Ibach meet. He pulled in, he just parked right up front on the red. He just owned it. You just gotta own it. And he's got the perfect ride to just park right up front and own it. But anyways, definitely remember, take action, stay motivated. We'll see you on the next one. Peace. Hey look, it's our friend from SuviFest. I cannot still find his @ because he's got a lot of stickers, but he doesn't have his @ on his car. So let's get this dope ass Subaru that I don't know whose it is, but check it out.